type of service you give a Wake Up Now. There's some enhanced stuff right here. He took over my screen, my mouse, everything. I signed in using my password, and he did something. He like see me moving the mouse and took over my computer. Wow. Wake Up Now, telling you. Amazing company. Told me he's gonna call me back in an hour. Don't touch the mouse, cause we'll be fighting over the mouse. Telling you guys, this company is 100% legit. You see me blasted all over Facebook and Instagram. Like, this some real stuff. I'm using my service firsthand. It was running slow. I called Wake Up Now. Called the PC protection, the number they give us. Gave my name. And he walked me through a little couple steps, and here it is. Successfully updated. Wow. You gotta love it. This is 6/34/10/21/2013. This is some real stuff that's live in action right now. This video is for proof that Wake Up Now is real. The PC protection, there's just one perks we get with Wake Up Now. We got text bot, finance, we got newsstand, vacation club, groceries, like everything, saving a hub, a marketplace. And just to let y'all know, you can sign up free with Wake Up Now, but you don't qualify to the commissions for have people signing up. But yeah, this is real. You can sign up free as a customer, see how the hub life is, and eventually you'll sign up because you're gonna see everybody making money, living their life, traveling. Look at this. Cleaning me up real quick. Well, anyways, back what I was saying. Yeah, hop on board. Tell them, join my team. We doing big things. Tell you in a minute, you're gonna be like, wow. Just keep watching. Look at this, man. Wake Up Now. Use my PC protection program software where we give a Wake Up Now. See, something was going on. Yep. Clean me up. Clean me up. Wake Up Now. www.jointhe600clubmovement.com. Let's get it. I love Wake Up Now. You a newbie about internet marketing or whatever. Wake Up Now, and it allows you to help. Everybody helping each other. That's all it is. You share it with someone. Everybody know 3 people. Mother, auntie, uncle, brother, boyfriend, co-worker, somebody. 3 people. Your membership free. You don't have to pay the $100 a month. No more. Use all this service, make money, manage money, travel. I'm gonna make another video about the vacation club. Talking about 7-night stays to the Bahamas, about $400 at the resort. Talking about Spain, Thailand, China, Egypt, like wherever you want to go, like for real. Get it through the discount through Wake Up Now. I had a lot of stuff on my computer. Wow. That's crazy. IBO. I just got a free cleanup. Yep. I'ma cut this video. I'll keep y'all posted, see how it turned out. But join the movement. Tell me, let's get to the 600 club. It ain't hard. It's so easy. Like, you could be pulling in 3, 4, 5, 30 people a day, for real, with the training we give you. When the IMBiz, like Facebook training, everybody on the computer every day, all day. Everybody got their phones in their hand. Like, why not make money? Like, just share this opportunity. Like, it's a no-brainer, for real. Everybody, you could retire your whole family will wake up now. Seriously. Just, do your due diligence and check this program out, for real. Like, I'll be spreading it all over Facebook, Instagram, like, it's on YouTube, for real. This the movement right here. And I got some big things coming, for real. Gonna have a lot of shirts made. Alright, little update. See, this is my page, Christopher McCullough. I just got my computer cleaned up. Let me show y'all. There it is, down here, right there, bam. The number I called, PC Makeover. Up, that's it. Join the movement. www.jointhe600clubmovement.com. Join my team. Click the link below. There's proof. Got my computer fixed. It's running fine. It was slow. Everything moving straight. Wake up now. Click the link below. Get in. Telling you, $100 to change your life. You no longer gotta pay the $100 ever again. You're gonna profit right there.